Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to the Aliens Blog and Math Tutorial. For today, we are going to determine the rate of interest of a given simple interest problem. I know all of you are excited. Let's try to solve and try to analyze the given problems. But before that, let's identify the objectives of this lesson. Number one, discuss rate of interest. Number two, determine the formula to be used in solving the rate of interest. Number three, solve the rate of interest. Always remember, be persistent. Soon you will thank yourself for not giving up. Please do not give up. Let's try to unlock keywords. We are going to use P for principal amount, the amount of borrowed money. And for today, we are going to know about rate of interest, and we are going to know how to solve for the rate of interest. T for the time period or term of the loan or investment. We are going to have I for interest. That means the amount of interest paid or received. And F for the maturity value or for the final value of the loan. That means principal amount plus the interest, that could be the maturity value. What is rate of interest? Rate of interest, it is the percentage of the principal that will be charged for a specific period of time. Again, the rate of interest, it is the percentage of the principal that will be charged for specified period of time. Let's now try to analyze and solve the first example. Interest of 1,904 pesos was charged on a loan of 6,800 pesos for 4 years. What simple annual rate of interest was charged on the loan? Again, interest of 1,904 pesos was charged on a loan of 6,800 pesos for 4 years. Question: what simple annual rate of interest was charged on the loan? Okay, let's now try to solve this problem. So these are the formulas to be remembered. It depends on the given. That is, to determine the rate of interest, we have two formulas. R, rate of interest is equal to interest over the product of the principal amount multiplied by the time, or it can be rate is equal to final value minus the principal amount over the product of the principal amount multiplied by the time. First step, determine the given and formula to be used to solve the given problem. Let's now try to identify or determine the given. What are the given? We have interest of 1,904 pesos. That means we have interest 1,904 pesos. The amount of money borrowed, that is the principal amount, 6,800 pesos. We also have years, 4 years, that is the time. And we are going to determine the rate of interest of the given problem. Those are the given. Let's now try to determine the formula to be used. We are going to use rate is equal to interest over the product of the principal amount and the time, since these are the given of the given problem. Let's now try to solve this one. Here are the given, and here is the formula to be used. We are now going to substitute the given on the given formula, that is rate is equal to, or rate of interest is equal to interest, which is 1,904 pesos, divided by or over the product of the principal amount, which is 6,800 pesos, and 4, which is the time. First step, multiply 6,800 pesos and the time, which is 4 years. 6,800 pesos multiplied by 4. That is 27,200. That is 27,200. We can now divide 1,904.00 divided by 27,200. The answer is 0.07. The answer is 0.07 or 7%. How did we get 7%? You are going to multiply 0.07 by 100 and you will get 7%. Or it can be move twice to the right to get the value of the rate of interest. That is 1, 2, that is 7%. So the rate of interest of the given problem is 0.07 in decimal, or if you want to convert it on percentage, multiply 0.07 by 100 and you will get 7%. Or if you can move twice to the right to get or to convert the decimal point to percentage. The answer is 7%. So 7% of 6,800 pesos payable in 4 years is 1,904 pesos. That is the interest. Okay, I hope you were able to follow the process. Let's now try to check number 2 or try to answer example number 2. A 2,300 pesos note with interest is repaid after 2 years with a check for 2,374.75. What was the interest rate? A 2,300 pesos note with interest is repaid after 2 years with a check for 2,374.75. What was the interest rate? Let us now identify the formulas to be used. So these are the possible formulas to be used in order for us to determine the rate of interest. That is, rate is equal to interest over the product of principal amount multiplied by time, or rate is equal to the final value or maturity value minus the principal amount over the product of the principal amount multiplied by the time. Let's now identify the given and the formula to be used. We have now 2,374.75. That is the final value or maturity value after 2 years. Now we have 2,300. That is the principal amount, the amount of money borrowed, and the time to be paid is 2 years. That means we are going to look for the rate of interest based on the asked question. What was the interest rate? We can now use this formula in order for us to solve for the value of the rate of interest, because the given are final value or maturity value 2,374.75, and we have the principal amount, which is 2,300, and the time is 2 years. I know all of you are excited. Let's solve this problem. Rate of interest, these are the given. F, 2,374.75. Principal amount, 2,300. The time is 2 years. And here's the formula. And we are going to substitute the given on the given formula. And it goes like this. So final value minus the principal amount over the product of the principal amount and final value. We can now solve this one. Subtract 2,374.75 and 2,300, and we can also get the product of 2,300 multiplied by 2. 2,374.75 minus 2,300, the answer is 74.75. 2,300 multiplied by 2, the answer is 4,600. Let us now divide 74.75 divided by 4,600, and the answer is 0.01625, or if you want to convert this decimal point on percentage, just move twice to the right, that is 1 to 1.625%, or you can multiply 0.01625 by 100, and you will get the answer, that is 1.625%. Okay? 1.625%. As you can see, we subtracted 2,374.75 and 2,300, and this is the amount of interest divided by 4,600, and this is the rate of interest 0.01625 or 1.625%. Just simply multiply 0.01625 by 100 or move twice to the right, and that is the answer. I hope that you were able to follow the processes. Again, always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. Please do not give up. We can move forward. We can achieve our goals and dreams in life. Thank you for watching, and may God bless all of you. Bye. See you on our next tutorial.